this cross product is also known as vector product. This is known as vector product because we finally we get some vector. Finally, when we will do the cross of two vectors, we will get a vector. This is a vector. Because of this n cap, this will become a vector. So basically, what is A cross B? What is A cross B? A cross B is AB sine theta and n cap. What is n cap? N cap is the unit vector perpendicular to A and B. Okay, unit vector perpendicular to A and B. If two vectors are in plane, if two vectors always be in a plane. Two vectors will always be in a plane, and perpendicular to that plane will be the n cap, unit vector perpendicular to A vector and B vector. Result is a vector. How you will calculate the direction of A cross B? Direction you will calculate, just point your fingers along A vector and curl your fingers towards the B vector. Then see the direction of your thumb. Your thumb is towards you. Okay, towards you. Or see your screen. If your thumb is coming towards you, you can just imagine your thumb is coming from your screen. So out of the screen you can say, or you can say the direction is outwards. The direction is outwards. So direction of A cross B will be outward. Place your fingers along A and curl it towards B. Thumb will give you the direction of A cross B. Remove the modulus from here. After this, we will discuss the properties. And first, we will write some of the example of the cross product that we are going to study in future. So, for example, angular momentum. There will be a term angular momentum. Like linear momentum, in linear motion, in rotational motion or circular motion, there is angular momentum. Angular momentum is represented by term capital L, letter capital L, and this angular momentum is a vector quantity, and this is given by R cross P. What is R? R is the position vector, P is the momentum vector. Another example is torque. In rotational motion, we will discuss torque. Torque is represented by tau. This symbol is known as tau, and this tau vector is R cross F. There is one more term in the form of the cross product, that is linear velocity. Linear velocity, that is v vector. So v vector is given by omega vector cross r vector. Omega will be the angular velocity, r will be the position vector. Okay, so we know now what is the cross product, and we will see the some of the properties. So first property is anti-communicative, not communicative, anti-commutative. So when you will write A cross B, this is not equal to B cross A. This will be equal to minus of B cross A. Second property, for parallel vector cross product is 0. For parallel vector What is theta between the two vectors? 0 degree.
0.
When you will, yeah, when you will do A cross B, so you will get AB sine theta. AB sine theta you will get, and we are calculating the magnitude. Okay, and you can write n cap also. If you are writing the n cap, okay, you can remove the n cap, but we are just discussing the magnitude, or you can just write, no problem. So it will become AB sine 0, AB sine 0 n cap. What is the value of sine 0? 0. So this will become 0. Okay, we can remove dot this n cap. And here we can write, we are just interested in the magnitude only. If magnitude is 0, then there will be no concept of direction. Okay. So A cross B equal to 0. A cross B equal to 0. So for example, you can say that, for example, here. This is the axis now. Along x-axis I cap. This you should remember. Along y-axis J cap, z-axis K cap. So suppose I am writing I cross I. I cross I. So what? How will I write this? This will become I cap, modulus of I cap, again modulus of I cap, and sine of angle it between I cap and I cap. What will be the angle? Angle will be 0 degree. So this will become sine 0 degree. So it will become 0. Similarly for J cross J is equal to 0. For K cross K is equal to 0. Okay. When vectors are perpendicular, perpendicular means when you will do the cross product of I cross J, I cross J. So what you will write? Magnitude of I cap, magnitude of J cap, and sine 90. Sine 90 is 1, I cap is 1, J cap is 1, magnitude of I cap is 1, magnitude of J cap is 1, because I cap and J cap are the unit vectors. So you will get 1 into 1 into 1. Finally, your answer will be 1. Okay. Suppose,
Yes, sir.
yeah, suppose you are just calculating J cross I. J cross I. So again you will write J cap mod I cap mod sine 90. So this is 1, this is 1, and this is also 1. This will become K cap. So there is one trick to solve these types of things. When suppose you just draw a circle and then decide one direction. Okay. This direction is the clockwise direction. So I am just considering the clockwise direction as positive and anti-clockwise direction as negative. So you can calculate any cross of I cap, J cap, and K cap with the help of this. Okay, so what you will do? Suppose I want to calculate I cross J. What is I cross J? First go point I and then come to J. I cross J and then go in this direction. You are going in the same direction, in the clockwise direction. Then you will get K cap. Suppose you want to find J cross K. J cross K. So J, K and I going in the same direction. So your answer will be I cap. Suppose you want to find K cross I. What will be the answer of K cross I? Tell me.
J cap.
Yeah. This is K and you are going in the clockwise direction, Ki, and this is J. So this will be J cap. Now if I want to find J cross I. J cross
Sir,
I. Yeah. Okay. Here na. This we have done a mistake. Okay, no problem. I will just explain. First see this. J cross I will be, you are going in the anti-clockwise direction. Okay.
yes, sir.
So this is J cross I. So J cross I will be K, but this time this will be negative of K. Okay. And suppose I want to find I cross K. I cross K. So this is I, this is K. So you are going in the anti-clockwise direction and anti-clockwise you have choose negative. So I cross K is equal to minus J. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And okay. So anything left here? K cross J. K cross J. So when you will do K cross J, you are going in anti-clockwise direction. Then the answer will be I cap and negative I cap. Okay. Negative I cap. Actually this direction now, this negative sign is given by the right hand rule. Okay, right hand thumb rule. See, this is I cross J na. I have written here this thing J cross I na. So when you will calculate J cross I, when you will calculate J cross I na, so how you will calculate the proper method? You will write J cap, you will write K cap, magnitude of K cap, and you will write sine 90, and here you will write N cap. Okay, this J cap is 1, this K cap is 1, this is 1. Now J cross K, J cross K you will do the J cross K. This is your J vector, this is your K vector. Just point your thumb in the direction of J vector, point your thumb in the direction of J vector and curl towards the K vector. So your thumb will go this side. Okay, your thumb will go this side. So that is why N cap will be negative. That is why you will write here minus I cap. Okay, so that is why your answer is minus I cap. Oh, sorry, what I am doing. J cross K na, we have to find J cross K. Okay, just a minute, just a minute. Okay, J cross K. Actually, we have decided this direction as positive direction and positive direction of x-axis, and this direction as negative direction of x-axis. Is it or not? I have told you right side will be positive, left hand side will be negative, and
Yes, sir.
upward direction is positive and downward direction is negative. Inward direction is negative, outward direction is positive. So when you will do J cross K, na, when you will do J cross K, so you will point your fingers along J cap and curl towards the K cap. So you will get your thumb this direction. This direction is the positive direction. Okay, that is why J cross K will be I. J cross K will be I. So, and the value of N cap you have to see what will be the value of N cap. This whole term will be 1, this will be 1, this will be 1. And what is the unit vector? Unit vector perpendicular to J cap and K cap will be I cap. Negative or positive, we will decide by right hand thumb rule. So this will be I cap. This is not 1. Here will be N cap also. Here will be N cap also. What I am doing. So what will be the n cap here? This is I cap, this is j cap, this is I cap, and this is j cap. What you will do? I cross j you will do. So these are your fingers along I cap, curl towards j cap. You will get your thumb towards yourself, means outward. And outward direction we have considered positive. Positive k cap you will get. Now got it, Divyangi? So if this you want to calculate, na I cross j, j cross k, don't use this thing, okay, because it will take time and you will apply again and again right hand rule. So it is better to just go with this method. Draw a circle and choose any direction positive, either anti-clockwise, either clockwise. You will get the answer. Okay, now note down this first. Note down from here. In the last class, I have covered this part. All these things, angular momentum, torque, linear velocity, means this omega cross r, we will discuss in the circular motion. Torque I will not discuss in circular motion. Angular momentum, this thing, torque and angular momentum, will be discussed in the rotational motion, but this thing will be discussed in circular motion.
Done, sir.
Okay, so note down this fast, this properties. If you have any doubt regarding this, you can ask me. Direction we will decide with right hand rule, right hand thumb rule. Okay. Do you have any doubt, Divyangi?
No, sir.
Here you should have doubt. Why this a cross b is equal to minus b cross a? Can you tell me why I have written here minus sign? There is a reason of each and everything. Okay, first note down, then we will discuss. No problem.
Done, sir.
Okay. So for calculating I cross j, j cross j, k cross k, any not k cross k, means different cross of different unit vector, use this method. Don't use this method, because here what you have to do, again you have to apply right hand rule, and sometime you will get wrong. Okay, and in you will apply this, then answer will be correct and it will save your time also. There is one trick also, but that trick uh, I am not going to tell you that trick. This is okay for you.
Sir,
Yeah,
sir, in J cross K, isn't the thumb coming inwards?
in J cross
K.
K. Oh, J. This is J, na, and this is K. You are asking J cross K, na. So how
Yes,
your
sir.
thumb is coming inward? See, J in upward direction. Upward, na. J. So you are doing J cross K. So your finger should be in upward direction. Okay.
Yes,
And K is the positive K. Towards you. Something is towards you. So you will curl your finger like this. Curl your finger towards you. Like this. Hmm. This is me, na. So see. This is your J. This these fingers along J cap, na. Is it or not?
yes, sir.
Okay. Now you have to curl your fingers along K cap. And K cap is towards me, means outward. K cap is outward, na? I have told you. So you will curl your finger towards yourself. Your thumb will be here, in this direction. Right direction. Just do it once by yourself. Then you will get I cap. Unit vector I cap you will get. Just remember the direction. Just listen. Suppose you are here and this is your right side. This is your left side. This direction and this direction is x-axis. So this is positive x-axis, this is negative. Now this direction, upward positive y, downward negative y. And for z-axis, na, see your screen. If something is coming out of your screen, something for z direction, if something is coming out of your screen, take that positive. And if something is going into your screen, means inward, take that negative.
Okay, sir.
Completed this.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, this direction part will be very important. This becomes very important when we will when you will study the chapter magnet. Okay, magnetism in 12th class. Okay, in 12th class, in 11th class, it is okay. But when you will go in the 12th class, there each and in every question there will be the requirement of the direction, because magnetic field is something different. Okay, so if your doubts will be clear here in 11 properly, and in when you will go to the 12th class, then once you will revise, and each and everything will be clear to you. Okay, and physics is a subject, if your 11th is poor, then in 12th you will get difficulties definitely. Each and everything is related. This cross product will be used there again and again, again and again, again and again. So you should know how to calculate the direction and all that. Okay. Okay, now we will discuss the cross product in Cartesian form. Two vectors will be given in the Cartesian form, and there is a method to calculate the cross product. Okay, so cross product in Cartesian form, one vector is this, another vector is this. There is one method, modulus method. So I want to calculate A cross B. Now don't say this will be AB sin theta n cap. AB sin theta n cap. We have A, we have B, we can calculate the sin theta also. Okay, we can calculate the sin theta also, we can calculate the n cap also. From this formula I can also calculate the A cross B, but this becomes very lengthy when you will do a just calculate the magnitude of A, magnitude of B. Then first you will calculate cos theta. You cannot directly calculate sin theta because you have to do A dot B. From the dot product you will calculate the cos theta, and from that cos theta is equal to under root of 1 minus sin square theta. So from there you will calculate the sin theta. Sin theta is equal to under root 1 minus cos square theta. So from here you will get the sin theta, and n cap you will calculate. N cap you will calculate from there. Unit vector perpendicular to A vector and B vector. Okay. If this will be given, then we can calculate A cross B from this formula. Otherwise, simply we will use this. We will not think too much. This is the determinant. Do you have maths or some other subject apart from the physics and chemistry?
Biology.
Okay, no problem. So this is the actually in 12th class in math there is a chapter determinant and matrix, all that. So okay, no problem. So first what you will do, you will write here I cap, here j cap, here k cap. First thing, okay. Then here will be in this column. This is one column. This is one column. This is one column. Okay. Actually, we will make 3 rows and 3 columns. Okay, like this. 3 rows and 3 columns. This is one row. Here we will write the elements. Here we will write the elements. So I think there is no requirement. Okay. So here here is a cap. Here is a vector now. So here we will write the coefficient of I cap in this row, in the second row. This will be your second row. This will be your third row. So here what you will write in the second row, the coefficient of I cap, j cap and k cap for a vector. In the third row, do you know what is row and what is column? This is row and this will be the column. And here you will write the coefficient of I cap for a vector first. Here is a vector. What is the coefficient of I cap? For a vector?
A1.
A1. Very good. So here you will write A1, A2, A3. So accordingly you will write coefficient of j cap and k cap. Now in the third row, you will write the coefficient of I cap, j cap and k cap for B vector. What will be it? B1,
B1, B2, B3.
B3. Okay. Now what we will do? We will open this determinant. This is determinant. We will open it. How we will open it? So first thing, we will write the coefficient of, first we will calculate the coefficient of I cap, then j cap, then k cap. Okay. So write here I cap first. Write written. Now bracket. For the bracket, for Right here the bracket. Now what you have to do? Now what you have to do? Actually, you will have to hide. You will have to hide row column including I cap and row and this row. This row and this column you have to hide. This row and this column you have to hide. And what you will do now? You will just multiply this with this. What will be the multiplication? A to B3. You will write here this A to B3. Then you will multiply. Then you will multiply this with this. What will be the answer? And here you will write minus sign, and after that you will multiply B to A3. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Now after that we will write the coefficient of J cap. Here we will write minus of J cap first, and we will write the bracket. Always here we will write the minus of J cap. Then we will write one bracket. Then what we will do? Now we will hide the row containing and the column containing J cap. So this column and this row will be hided. So what you will multiply now? You will multiply A1 with B3 and B1 with A3. Like this, first like this and then like this. A1 B3 minus B1 A3. So you will multiply A1 B3 minus A3 B1. Now finally we will write the, here we will write plus sign K cap. So see, here is a plus sign, here is plus, here is minus, here is again plus. Then we will write the bracket, and again now we will hide this. Just a minute. We will hide the column and the row containing K cap. This and this we will hide. Now tell me what will be the element here. I should write
A1 B2 minus B1
minus,
A2.
very good, B1 A2. Okay, finish. This is finished. Write down. We will do one question, but remember this cross product is very important. Again, you should know, there should be no confusion. There should not be 1% confusion in it. Okay, okay, just write down. Don't confuse why we are just writing here I cap, why here is minus sign. Don't think. Just learn this, because this is mathematics. Okay, this is not physics, this is math.
Done, sir.
Okay, okay, we'll solve one question. So this is the question. It's a very easy question. So A vector is given, B vector is given. First we will calculate A cross B. First we will calculate A cross B, then we will discuss this. A cross B. Very simple. Same thing we have to do. So you will write A vector cross B vector. So there will be a determinant like this. I cap you will write here, J cap, and here you will write K cap, and this will be the determinant. So what here what you will write? Here you will write 1. Here you will write -1. Here you will write -2. And what you will write here? 1.
1.
Yeah. Here you will write 1. Here you will write, what you will write here?
0.
Very, very good. Very good. Now simply we have to do the same thing. I cap, just hide this row, not this row, this column and this row. So here you will multiply this 0 with -1. So it will become 0. Here minus sign. Here is -2 and 1. -2 and 1 is -2. Okay. Minus of J cap. Now you will hide this column and this row. Means you will multiply this 0 with 1. So it will become 0. Minus, this is -2 and this is 1. So it will become -2 again. Plus of K cap. So hide this column containing K cap and this row containing K cap. So you will multiply this 1 with 1. So it will become 1. Here minus sign, then you will multiply 1 with -1. You will get minus. Simply we can calculate now. So this will become minus minus plus. This will become 2 of I cap. This is minus minus plus, and this is again minus. This will become -2 J cap. This is 1 and minus minus plus. So 1 plus 1 2, and this will become 2 J cap, 2 K cap. Okay. So this is your A cross B. This is your A cross B. Now they are asking unit vector perpendicular to A vector and B vector. Unit vector perpendicular to A vector and B vector. And we know that this is answer number first. And this is your answer number second. We know that this A cross B we have calculated now. This A cross B. This A cross B is perpendicular to A vector, and this A cross B also perpendicular to B vector. Means this vector, no? This vector will be perpendicular to both the vectors, because I have told you earlier also A cross B is perpendicular to A vector and A cross B is perpendicular to B vector. If you want to see here this, you can take the example from I cap, J cap and K cap. So when you are calculating the I cross J, when you are calculating I cross J, you are getting K na. So see, this K is perpendicular to I cap, this K is perpendicular to I cap, and this K is perpendicular to J cap. Is it na? So that is why
Yes,
A cross B, yeah, that is why A cross B is perpendicular to both the vectors. So you can say this, and they are asking unit vector perpendicular to both A vector and B vector. We know that A cross B is perpendicular to A vector, A cross B is perpendicular to B vector. Now we will calculate the unit vector of A cross B. So what will be the unit vector of A cross B? Unit vector of A cross B. Calculate the unit vector of A cross B is itself a vector, okay? Itself a vector, that is 2I cap minus 2 J cap plus 2 K cap. So how you will calculate? If suppose I am saying calculate the unit vector of P vector, unit vector of P vector will be P vector divided by magnitude of P vector. So similarly for unit vector of A cross B vector, you will write A cross B vector divided by magnitude of A cross B vector. What is A cross B vector? 2I cap minus 2 J cap plus 2 K cap. What will be the magnitude? 2 square plus minus 2 square plus 2 square. So this will become 2 I cap minus 2 j cap plus 2 k cap, and this will become root 12. This will become 4 4 4. This will become root 12. So this will be your final answer. And if you want to further solve this, so you can solve it like this. This will become 2 divided by root 12 can be written as like this. So this will become 2 root 3 of I cap minus 2 divided by 2 root 3 of j cap plus 2 divided by 2 root 3 of k cap, and this 2 and 2 will be cancelled out. So this will become I cap by root 3 minus j cap by root 3 plus k cap by root 3. We can write this 12, do the factor of 12. So, okay, this will become 3 ones are 3. So you can write root 12 as 2 square into 3. So from the under root, na, you can take 1 2 and this will become 3. So in this way you can write. Okay, note down this. So this chapter I think will be finished. We have one last topic of vector, and we will start the motion in 2 dimension. Uh, if you have done the chapters from motion in a straight line to the work power energy in a proper manner, then the other chapters like gravitation and properties of matter, and you can easily do that. These chapters are more conceptual chapters, like motion in a straight line, motion in a plane. Newton's laws of motion is one of the most important chapter. After that, work power energy is one of the most important chapter. In kinematics, motion in a straight line, vector is uh, some mathematical topic, and motion in a plane means we have one motion in a plane, projectile motion we will discuss. Otherwise you will get confused in that pulley and on all that if you do not know the basic concepts.
Done, sir.
Okay, write down this. So this chapter is finished. 99.9% this chapter is finished. I have not covered the relative velocity because relative velocity is removed from your syllabus.
And sir.
Okay, so there is one last topic. Geometrical. What is the geometrical meaning of cross product? This thing we will discuss. What is the geometrical meaning of cross product? So see, here is one vector, here is another vector, and both the vectors are making an angle theta with each other. So what we will do now? Here, what I will do, I will draw a parallel line to A from this point. From this point, I will draw a parallel line to A like this. And from this tip of the arrow, I will draw a parallel line to this V vector. Somewhere here, somewhere here will be the intersection point. Okay, somewhere here will be the intersection point. So we can write this A cross B. This is your A vector, this is your B vector. We can write this. This is the parallelogram, na? This becomes the parallelogram. Okay. So suppose this is a parallelogram. This is the parallelogram, na? Two sides. This side is parallel to this side, and this side is parallel to this side, and this side is equal to this side, and this side is equal to this side. So this is the parallelogram. So we can write area of parallelogram in terms of cross product. Area of parallelogram. A vector cross B vector. But this is not true. Here we have to write the mod of A cross, because A cross B is a vector, but area is, this time area is not a vector. We will discuss the area vector, that is in 12th class. There will be area vector, but here this is not area vector. So area of parallelogram. So area of parallelogram is given by A cross B. So A cross B is representing the area of the parallelogram. Suppose I am just drawing one more line here. From here to here, I have drawn a line. So you can see these are the two triangles. These are the two triangles. So if you want to find the area of any one of the triangle, area of triangle, that will be equal to half A cross B. Okay. Write down this. And I want to ask you why this A cross B is equal to minus of B cross A. This question is for you, and write down this. So this is your heading, geometrical. So geometrical meaning of cross product means cross product is representing the area of parallelogram. Okay, and half of the area cross magnitude of cross product will be the area of triangle. So I think we should do one question on it also. We have 5 minutes. Completed?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So first thing, tell me the explanation of this. Why A cross B equal to minus of B cross B?
So
Okay.
their magnitude is same, but the sign is different.
This is the question. Why the sign is different? Okay. So this is your homework, and you will explain this question in the next class. Okay, and please
The
don't.
direction will be opposite.
Yeah. You are right. You are right. You are right. Suppose you have this A vector. So there is no homework, means you have just completed this. So this is A vector na, and this is your B vector. So this is a sub angle, angle will be there. So when you will do na A cross B, when you will do A cross B, you will get the some vector AB sine theta and n cap you will get. In this case, this n cap, when you will do A cross B, your thumb will be towards you. Thumb will be towards you. If you are taking this direction as positive, so then your A plus B is positive. But when you will do B cross A, when you will do B cross A, when you will do B cross A, so this will become BA sine theta and 2 cap. B cross A. Now your finger will be along B. First is B and then is A. You will do B cross A. Fingers will be along B vector and you will curl your finger towards A vector. So your direction will be up, away from you. Means inward direction. Here what direction you are getting? Outward. And here what you are getting? Inwards. So that is why this A cross B is equal to minus of B cross A. Okay, one more question. We have 2 minutes. Y is equal to 5x square is written. And you have to find dy by dx at x is equal to 2. Because in the next chapter, there will be a requirement of differentiation. I have told you that day, na? Differentiation.
So you
Okay.
taught differentiation?
I think I have told you. There was another student also in that class, I think. I have not told. Okay, no problem.